Here I have LG X Mach, and let me show you how to check serial number of the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me find and select the settings icon right here. Let's choose the general tab, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Then you have to choose the hardware info, and as you can see here we've got the serial number of your device. So that's it. Now let me show you the second way of checking the serial number. Let me switch off my device, press power key, choose power off and tap power off again. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's remove the back cover by using the cavity at the left edge of the device. Now let's remove the battery, and as you can see here we've got the serial number of your device. You can also read the barcodes with this identifier. Now let's put back the battery. Let me close the back cover protection, press power key, wait until LG X Mach will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.